Hey guys, Mr. Haque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the BOSCH P7181 oil filter. I don't know if this is for the Golf or the Insignia because I have both of them. So you'll see that in the next video. But yeah, it'll be the same basically. Oh, this is very heavy though compared to that one. I'm guessing this is the Insignia one because it's bigger. But you never know. Let's go ahead and open this. So basically what you need this for is when you do an oil change. You're changing the oil filter too, because your last oil filter will have shavings in metal shavings from your engine oil, any dirt and stuff will be caught in the filter. So when you do an engine oil change, you want to change out the filter. That's what I'm doing today. So when I do my engine oil change, I need that as well. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. That's why I've got this here. See what it says here. Nothing else. Okay. Please change your oil filter with each oil change. Of course, man. Nothing else on there. It says made in South Africa. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the filter itself. You literally screw it on. It's a bit dirty. Okay, so this is the rubber seal. What you do with that is you put some of the oil onto it so it sticks on. Gives a nice tight pressure hold, I guess, and then it just screws in anyway. So yeah, you see that coil there? That's pretty cool. I like this quality of this one. Very good quality actually. Is there any writing on here? Nope. There you go. Check for leaks. Apply firm olive oil to gasket. Yeah, that's that thing there. So they say as well. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, and it teaches how to do it. Fill with oil up to normal level. Start engine. Check for leaks. Retighten if necessary. There you go. And in my Vauxhall Golf, what the fuck have I just said? In my Golf, it's very easy to access it. It's right next to the engine, and it's just, you can even, depends how tightened it is, you can usually untighten it by hand, or you can use a special tool, or just a normal, like it's like a belt thing, shove it on top and just twist it. So yeah, or you can use a big spanner. Okay, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.